Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, we'll be implementing the hotkeys into our Salesforce org. As a developer, I always search for keyboard shortcut to increase the productivity and to save the time. Let's say in developer console, you can clear all the logs at once by pressing Alt Shift and G. Have you ever wondered how you can implement the hotkeys into your Salesforce org? In this video, I'll be sharing a trick, I'll be sharing a utility to implement the hotkeys into your Salesforce org. So guys, let's start today's video. I'm Kapil, your host, and you're watching Salesforce Bolt. Alright guys, so in today's video I'll be sharing a utility through which you can use hotkeys into your Salesforce org. So I'll be trying it in my developer org, so you can also just log in into your developer org if you would like to try it right now with me. Okay, so this is my developer org guys, and let me show you the list of hotkeys first. Okay, so these are the hotkeys we will be getting by using that utility. There are, oh my goodness, there are so many keys here. Let's say we are having Control plus E for edit record, Control S save record, Control Q to cancel record editing. Great. Control Alt T to create new task. Okay. And guys, we can use this utility. It doesn't matter on which page we are right now. Like let's say if you are on a account page and you just need to create a contact directly. So you can just press Control Shift C to create new contact from that account page itself. And there are some more keys for tabs and navigation. Okay, for tabs and navigation we are having keys like Control Alt A for account tab, Control Alt C for contact tab. Okay, this feature look amazing to me. Okay, and it says if you like Gmail like keyboard shortcuts, combo key shortcuts, then this section is for you. Okay, so it says HE for edit record. Okay, so these are the hotkeys similar like we used to have in Gmail. Alright, and there's separate option for Mac keyboard shortcuts also, so anyone can use this utility. So guys, this is the utility. So it's basically a Chrome extension, and the extension name is Salesforce Hotkeys. It's still in beta version. I don't know why, because you know it's a very old application here. I can get the idea from the reviews in this application. So it says add hotkeys to your Salesforce record page, example Control E for edit and S for save, and many more. Alright, this could be a lifesaver for developer. As you know, like as a developer, I personally feel like there should be a hotkey for every action. So guys, we'll be trying this in our org. So this is my org guys, and there's only one drawback for this extension. Somehow it's not working in the Lightning. I don't know why, because you know the developer has not mentioned anything here like it won't work in Lightning or that. But the last update for this application was in May 2015, and I hope we will be getting the update for the Lightning also soon. Okay, so to test this extension guys, we have to move to Classic first. So let me just go back to Classic. Okay, and we are on home page right now. Let's try some hotkeys now. So to create a new account, we have to use Control Shift A. Okay, let's try it here. So I'm just pressing Control Shift A, and we are on account page. Great. Let's try other one. Let's try Control Shift C to go to the contact page. These tricks are really amazing guys. I hope it would be great if we can have these kind of functionality in Lightning also. Let's check out some more hotkeys here. Let's say if we have opened an account and I just want to edit this account record, so I have to press Control E. You can see my cursor guys, I'm not moving my cursor, I'm just pressing Control E, and the account is editable now. Great. And let's try Control S. Okay, so it's saving this account. Oh my goodness, this is really amazing. But somehow I think the developer is not working on this extension anymore, because you know the last update was May 5, 2015. But anyways guys, like if you're still working on Classic and if you are a developer or admin, so this could be lifesaver for you. I mean, you can increase your productivity, you can save your time while working on it. And let's hope like we'll be getting updates for this beta version extension soon, and I hope this will be available for Lightning. Actually, the developer information is not available here, otherwise I would have contacted the developer. Okay, so that's it for today's video guys. I hope you learned something new, and if you learned something new guys, a subscribe to the channel will be awesome.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below. Also let me know if you have any query in the comment section below guys. I'll try to revert back as soon as possible. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.